Alright, so we've been plowing with this tractor, and I have a blowout in the muffler. And it just so happens that Rooney got me a muffler, so let's put that on. Rooney even painted it for me.
Well, it's the wrong color, you better take it back.
Shusher.
Very nice.
So
You could even fool everybody and put two of them on here.
that's a good idea. You like my new camera?
I guess, as long as it works.
The regular one. It records.
Yeah.
It records, but it doesn't put the audio exactly along in the spot where the video was shot. So in other words, the audio is trailing behind the video.
Mm-hmm.
And I reformatted the card, and I don't know what it is. But... So I was bored, and I was looking on eBay. You know, there's like really poor selection of whole tractors right now. With all the parts are really boring. There's, at least when I looked, there wasn't anything really exciting.
Oh, like deck hangers and
Yeah, there's all kinds
brackets,
of things.
trays.
Deck hangers, right? But it's an injustice going on right now with them prices. There was, I saw the tail light, just the cap. Guess how much that was?
I would say $12.
$45.
Wow.
Do you want the innards of the cap, the part with the light bulb and has the wire on it? You want that part too?
It comes with the tractor, right?
No, that's for a cap
Okay.
that you can go to Tractor Supply and get for what, $2, $3?
Yeah.
But if you want the whole light, if you want the underneath with the light bulb, that's another $35. So $85 for the tail light on a tractor. I don't get it. You know, I don't know what I'm missing. I mean, we talked about steering wheels being $70. I can kind of see that now because so many people bust them, taking them up. I don't like it, but hey, actually, in the end of the day, it's pretty good for anybody that's a collector. But for a taillight, $85. I mean, I got a tractor, a parts tractor out there with the whole thing, and it's got the light on it. I want $100 for that. You know,
that's like pushing the limits. I've never seen some prices are getting out of hand, but for a lens, does it come with the bulb?
That you have to buy the $35 part.
Oh, okay. Wow.
So you know, like deck hangers. You know, I've got a dozen deck hangers. They just don't break.
Right. Like the battery tray.
Yeah, they're $35-$40. I mean, I couldn't get rid of them for $2. I couldn't give them to anybody that wanted them for free. I don't know. You know, after the covers for the pulleys, the belts, right? They're pretty rare. You take them off and you lose them. Mine's not even on there right now. Hoods and nose cones, and dashes and steering wheels. You know, that's the stuff that I could see. You know, start a low bid and let the market decide. And then, you know, usually when you start a low bid, people appreciate that and they bid on it, and it usually goes up. But when you're sitting at $85 for a tail light, well, I want to show you this. Did I ever show you this?
Oh no, but I do like that.
Look at that color.
I like that color.
How's that showing up? That's like dead on.
Wait, is that a Sears?
No, it's a daylight. Daylight. D-A-L-I-T-E. But it was really nice. Stag movies, if we ever have stag movies, I've got
How do
it.
you look at it though? The chrome's not pitted?
It's
in really good shape.
It's beautiful. I got it from my cousin. So,
That's nice. All right, so you need the pipe wrench.
yep.
I should probably grab the torches, but. Got that ready?
Yeah.
There she goes.
Not bad.
Now, for the tone.
Well, if you do, it will. We'll get smoked out of here.
Okay.
You'll have to push it out, and once it starts, once it blows out all the blow by that's in there.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, it literally, we won't be able to stand in here. So we'll push it out. Listen to this transmission when it goes in reverse without it running. Well, it's not doing it now. Turn the wheel a little bit, will you? Fire! Fire! Hey, I'll sell you that tail light for $100.
The one on the bottom. Not the one on the top. Does it sound better?
Oh yeah, it's a lot quieter. That's like where I plow at, right there. Low RPMs.
Sure.
That paint is smelling interesting, huh?
I like those shushers.
Yeah,
I think they're pretty cool.
that's the paint smoking out there.
Yeah.
But it's just trusty, I mean, it just runs.
That's a good one.
Yeah. It's number 2. It's my second one ever. I call it number 2. And I think I plowed with it every year except for one.
That's pretty good.
Hey,
Disco.
Yeah.
Do 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 do.
God, it is like 1,000 different scenarios.
Okay. Well, this is a pretty kick-ass plow.
Yeah, it's
It's wide. What's that? Like a
60.
a 60.
I love it. Just love it. You know what? There's no mechanism to turn it though. You have to get off the tractor to do it.
Oh, gotcha.
I've got it down now that I always keep it this direction in the way that I plow.
Mm-hmm.
Because you start to figure out the fastest way that you can get this done, without having to go in reverse 1,000 times.
Right.
So, alright. There she is,
Not bad.